Sir Juliet Whiskey, right turn 1706 from Tug, 2000, full established final approach course, cleared on Navy Yankee, runway 19 approach.
Was that 070?
Yep, 170.
170, cleared for the RNAV 19 Yankee approaching to Teterboro, 300 Juliet Whiskey.
And 2000, but that's
and,
all right.
2000.
I'm going to hit approach.
I kind of lost her there for a second. Kind of went out.
Yeah, so it's 170, 2000 still established, cleared RNAV into Teterboro. And we've already got, so I'm going to slow our speed.
996, turn right 070.
We never posted our speed.
Right 070 for 996.
Is it always going to be about the same?
Yeah, but we can try to do it real quick. Performance, landing.
210, traffic still the clock and 3 miles north on at 4000 at Cessna.
We are looking for traffic, Max 210.
All right, it's in there.
All right, so it's 113.
Juliet Whiskey, Teterboro Tower, 419.5, good day.
19.5.
19.5, good day, 300 Juliet Whiskey.
See the runway up in front of us.
Yep.
Slowing to 200.
And then...
And you just told them that we're RNAV 19.
Yep. Teterboro Tower, November 300 Juliet Whiskey, RNAV runway 19.
All right, here comes our speed.
For 300 Juliet Whiskey, Teterboro Tower, runway 19, clear land, winds 21016, gust 23.
Runway 19, clear to land, 300 Juliet Whiskey.
And if she asks where we're going to Meridian. So you can get the lights on.
Yep. Oh.
All the way up is on.
Any collision?
Right, very good. Those all stay on. Right. Normally, without all the bumps, 55 would do 55%. We're waiting for there's glide path. We'll get the gear. 3 green, no red. Lights are on. We'll get a little closer before I get full flaps. All right. We just got to keep it below that 161 for full flaps. And you can see it's flagged too. That 35 for full, 35 degrees. And it's a right turn off to Meridian. We get a little bit further if it's clear.
40 Victor Charlie,
clear, you can see the Statue of Liberty straight out. But I don't see it.
24 for takeoff, November 4.
That's a bridge that we're seeing, the little pylons for the Brooklyn Bridge.
Signature south passing?
I don't know.
Talking about right on line with World
ground, please, for signature south.
Yeah, the Freedom Towers?
Yeah.
Are over that way somewhere. That's Empire State Building.
Yeah, see Empire State.
The Freedom Tower is that one skinny tall one with the antenna on top. My goodness, look at it bolts. Alright, we're going to go ahead and get power back up. Come on. We're going to go ahead and get full flaps. They're moving. And then we'll get our power about maybe 60 with this wind. Getting text. Former truck drivers I used to work with.
300 Juliet Whiskey, no need to respond. Traffic departing runway 24 is the G4.
Alright. You don't have to do anything.
Yeah.
I keyed up just so she heard me. But he's taking off on 24. See him sitting on the runway? He's going to be going left to right. So we'll start slowing. He's rolling. He's going to be through our intersection. Greensboro would never have anything this close, right?
Runway 24, line up and wait. Traffic will land runway 19.
He's going to line up and wait. We'll land and he'll go, right?
45.
It's crazy. Alright, it's gradually trimming as we get slow. But just be careful of the wind shear. I don't want it to get too slow.
Yeah.
I don't want to get too fast either. But
definitely don't want to be too slow.
Yeah, both. Right. This power setting normally. See, look, it's jumping back up again. This guy could have went
For 40 Victor Charlie, contact your departure 119.2.
We got 21 knot headwind.
19.2.
Look at my speed going, trending up. See that?
500.
That's wind shear. I wipe the sweat off my hands so I'm ready. Alright, here comes minimums. Autopilot's away. We'll hold off on the yaw damp till I get really short final.
You want me to push it?
No, I got it. I do it with the red button.
Minimums.
Alright, continuing.
Tower with Eagle,
yaw damp's away.
676 Alpha Sierra.
It's getting, because it was fighting me a little bit.
And signature east.
676 Alpha Sierra, Teterboro Tower, runway 19, clear to land, winds 2306, gust 21, gains loss of 5 knots reported on final by multiple types.
Roger, clear to land 6 Alpha Sierra.
Copy signatories for 6 Alpha Sierra.
Roger.
Exit jet 245, winds 23010, gust 21, runway 24, clear for takeoff.
Clear for takeoff on 24, exit jet 245.
We'll get Echo. Alright, ground is 21.
300 Juliet Whiskey, stay parking.
Okay, we're going to Meridian.
Meridian, 300 Juliet Whiskey.
Roger, ground, point 9, have a nice day.
Ground point 9, have a good one, 300 Juliet Whiskey.
Crossing 19, Quebec, monitor tower.
Let them know we're off on Echo, we're going to Meridian.
Crossing 19 from Echo, Bravo in Monitor Tower.
Teterboro, ground November 300 Juliet Whiskey. We are off of runway 19 at Echo, going to Meridian.
300 Juliet Whiskey, taxi, golf, hold short of 24, Teterboro, ground.
Taxi on golf, hold short of runway 24, 300 Juliet Whiskey.
Alright. I gotta take a picture. So we'll hold short of 24. Alright, we can zoom in. Alright, so we know where we're at. I'm gonna take a picture of that. Alright. And we'll hold short of 24. And Meridian straight ahead, so that makes it nice and easy.
Yep.
Alright. Welcome to Teterboro, folks. All my fans. Thanks for riding along.
I messed up so many communications.
That's alright.
Just got tongue-tied there.